Some of the bravest decisions that I think any of us have ever made are at the opposite end of that spectrum, as to when to know to quit. When thing isn't working, and people have worked very hard on this, and it's a very, very hard thing to do. But I always remember what I call the first law of holes. When you're in one, you stop digging. And some of the most courageous stuff that we have done is to stop digging when something hasn't worked. And we'll come to that at another point. But the other thing is the personal courage, the personal bravery is in every day telling the truth, knowing full well that if you shade it, the truth will come out ultimately and always to your disadvantage.